Welcome guys. In today's video we'll be looking at how to mix different tempo. Generally if you look up this on Google or on YouTube you'll find different videos, tutorial videos, but this technique is a little different and unique. Not a lot of people know about this. So to use this technique, it's again very simple. You'll have to go to the ending or the outro part of the song. So like you'll have to skip from the first drop to the second drop, or you can use your hotkeys and get creative. How you want to do that is up to you. And if you want to learn how to get creative, then yeah, you'll have to join our online courses or offline courses. You can check our website for more details. So let's get to the part where we'll be showing you this. First thing before I go, the first song which I'll be playing is at 124 tempo. And let's say I want to play a song which is in down tempo or like 100 BPM, or like the song which is called Gasoline. Gasolina, which is a well-known song, it's at 104 tempo. So if I have to do that, first I have to check if my tempo range, the plus or minus 6 or plus or minus 10, 16 wide, which we have in these four options, what tempo range helps me fit or reach the point which I want to go to. So let's say if I go to 100, if I go max right now at plus or minus 6, I'm only able to reach 116.66 or like 6. So now I'm going to change the tempo range to plus or minus 10, which you can look over here. And now I'm able to reach up to 111.6, still not reaching. And now I'm able to reach 104.2, but it's 104. So what I'm going to do is I can increase this to 105 just for our, so that it makes sense. And now when I'm playing this song, let's say I'm just going to be playing this, I'm going to go to the most ending part of it. So I'm just slowly going to bring this in. Now we'll have to know how many phrases all of these are. So one way of doing is you can either sync it up, use a sync option, but you'll have to know how the sync works. So yeah, let's just press sync as of now. And now I'm going to start this when the verse of the song finishes. And I'm going to bring this up and I'm going to reduce the tempo. And now we are in this. Turn off your sync, and then again if you want to choose another song which is in the similar tempo range, then you can do this. Let's just this is one way of doing it. That is one way of doing it, and another way of doing it would be also very similar, but we'll try not to use a sync function so that it makes more sense for you guys. So for that section, if you want to use something like that, then we'll have to go and get more creative in the sense that we'll have to start using loops. So loops can be as in gasoline. Now let me see if I have a song which doesn't have an intro. Okay, I think this version here. Yeah, not this one. Sorry, my bad. Here. Yeah, a remix. So we'll have to see if this works. Yeah. It sounds a little bit more abrupt. Let's see real bar. It's not working out. Yeah. Okay, so we'll just start off with this instead of waiting for the whole thing, and I think it's 4 bars. Okay, so now the same thing again, but yeah, let's be a little bit more different. Oh, this is a little bit more, so we'll have to shift to something called wide over here, and yeah, let's keep this at 98 for now. Yeah. So once it starts the outro where the bass line ends, we'll start pushing the tempo down. Let me set it up to... That is one way of doing it again. Second, this is like a second way of doing it. Again, there are a lot more things which matters if you're doing to do something like this. If you're doing it from the outro section of the song, then key of the song wouldn't naturally be that important. But if you're trying to sound more harmonic to do, then I think I would suggest a key which is in the same key try to select the song which is on the same key. And if you want to go back, let's say the same song, let's say if I want to go back from what was the other song, 104 BPM, I think this was the one, right? Yeah. So let's say if I want to go from down tempo to high tempo, I can use the same similar technique, which is the, what do you call this thing, the sync function. But again, experiment around with sync function. I'm not going to be explaining you sync function in this video. You either have to join our classes or text me, and if you want to know something about it, comment down below. I'll try to answer as much as I can. Again, sync button is not as easy as people make it, how they tell it in the videos, or sync, you need to understand a lot more things before you start using sync. What is a master channel, what is a sub channel, or what is the second channel, and how to use it to your advantage. And you also need to have an understanding of the tempo ranges. So let me see if this is the outro. Yeah, this is the outro. So I think it's a remix version of Gasolina. Yeah, so we're just gonna be same thing again. This time I'll be using this as sync, and now this has to be at wide. Yeah, I think 16 works, I guess. So anyways, yeah. Let's say if I'm at 106, like how we were before. Yep. All right. Okay, and now let's say I'm gonna start this. And now you'll see the sync function not functioning properly. Now you see if I'm moving the tempo up, now it is coming out. So now again we are at 124. Again, so the tempo had already synced up, so it's all right. Cool. So yeah, that's how we usually, if you want to make songs which are in two different tempos, that is how you can do it. I hope this video made a lot more sense for all the beginners, and makes sense for everyone who had this question of how I can go from one tempo to another tempo. There are other techniques as well. I think those other techniques are already being discussed by a lot of other tutorial videos. So I think this is pretty much good enough for anyone. This is like a new technique, to be honest. Anyways, I'm not sure if there are any more videos on this topic, like how I did it, but yeah, how we did it, sorry. Yeah. So yeah. All right, man. If you have any other questions, or if you want to learn how to be a pro DJ, and if you want to improve your DJing skills, you can always join our online or offline classes. We are available in Hyderabad for offline classes, and online classes we are available online anywhere. I mean, we are available in the IST time zone. So yeah. All the best for your future, guys. See you soon. Take care. Have a nice day ahead.